Creating a Printify pop-up store can be a lucrative way to make money with minimal upfront costs. Here's how to get started. Choose a niche. Identify a target audience and niche for your pop-up store. Focus on themes or trends that resonate with potential customers, such as seasonal events, holidays, or specific hobbies. Design unique products. Use Printify's design tools to create eye-catching products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Ensure your designs are appealing and relevant to your niche. Set up an online store. Use platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Wix to create your pop-up store. Integrate it with Printify to streamline order fulfillment. Choose a temporary theme that highlights your products. Promote your store. Utilize social media, email marketing, and influencer collaborations to drive traffic to your pop-up store. Create engaging content that showcases your products and encourages sharing. Leverage scarcity. Emphasize limited time offers and exclusivity in your marketing strategy to create urgency. Limited edition designs or discounts can entice customers to make quick purchases. Analyze and adjust. Monitor sales and customer feedback. Use analytics to understand which products perform well and adjust your offerings accordingly.